So here we have two houses, one at the end of that wall, which was built in the 1770s, and then this house, which was built in the late 1700s. And in 1802, when they were combined together, that house was dragged from a ways over, all the way over to where it sits now. Have some foundation issues, mainly with the beams in this house. Got to repair and replace some stuff like this. But while I'm at it, I also want to fix the foundation. It's been a few years since I've done any stonework. I'm confident that I can get this done. My only question would be, what kind of mortar do I use? Now, this would have been originally a crawl space, and then in the 1950s, they had children come down here and they hand dug it to where it sits now. It's about 10 feet. It's pretty nice. But the problem is somebody came through and they put plaster over the mortar, and this has deteriorated it and caused many problems. But because this was done circa 1950, I think I'll have the option of using things like type S or type N mortar. I don't want to go with the cement options, but I think type S or type N would be the choice. I'd love some input. Should I go with S or N, or is there another option? This does react with vinegar, and we can see some thick aggregate within there, but I think I can remove the majority of this and then backfill it in, repoint it, leave the plaster off this time. I think that'll work out well, but I'd love some input on the type of mortar to repoint this fieldstone. I'm gonna call it fieldstone, even though the stones are pretty small, more like shale, but love the input. Focus.